In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine if you are using Canva Pro. Canva is a versatile graphic design tool that's beloved by many for its user-friendly interface and robust features. However, at times, it can be a little tricky to tell if you're on the free version or if you're enjoying the full suite of Pro features. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple process to uncover this information. To start, you'll need to log into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your Canva homepage. Here you'll find a small settings icon, often depicted as a gear. This icon is your gateway to all the account settings you'll need to manage your Canva presence. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be directed to a new page where a menu will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. From this menu, select the option labeled Billing. This section contains crucial information about your current subscription status, payment history, and other billing details related to your Canva account. It's an important step because your subscription information is housed here. Upon entering the billing section, you can now easily discern whether you're on the free version or the Canva Pro. Look for indicators that specify your plan status, which is typically highlighted towards the top or in the central part of the billing page. If you're on Canva Pro, this area will provide details about your subscription, such as the billing cycle, next payment due date, and any exclusive features available to you. If you only see information about upgrading, you are likely using the free version. To emphasize, the free and pro versions of Canva vary significantly. While the free version offers a wide array of tools and templates, Canva Pro unlocks even more advanced features, such as premium templates, advanced design capabilities, and additional storage options. Knowing your subscription type can help you make the most of what Canva has to offer and decide if an upgrade, if you're on the free plan, might be worth your consideration. Understanding your Canva subscription status is simple once you know where to look. Whether you rely on Canva for personal projects or professional design tasks, checking your plan ensures you're fully equipped with the right tools for your creative journey. By accessing your account settings and navigating to the billing section, you can quickly confirm your subscription type, ensuring you're using Canva to its fullest potential. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, clarity in your software subscriptions can enhance your creative process and make designing a smoother experience.